Let's look at assignment 4.4. Today we're going to be looking at playlist comping, and we're going to really focus on what's happening inside of this area in the edit window. And so kind of an easy way to get at this is if we highlight, we're gonna focus on guitar. We're not going to be messing with anything else. So guitar is going to be our main focus. If we highlight the guitar track and then do the toggle zoom, this will allow us to get to it pretty quickly and blow it up and have it visible. But the thing that we're really after here in this particular situation is we're going to comp the playlist. And so what that means is we're going to copy paste and assemble a playlist and then do a crossfade or a batch fade at the end. So your first step is to toggle through and audition all the audio playlists. In order to do that, you need to click on the track view selector and switch to playlist view. And you're basically going to push play, or you can highlight the range. And what we're going to do is we're going to solo through these takes to listen to them by pressing the S on the solo button there. And you are basically going to listen to these, audition each one of these, and then pick the best sections of them. So like if we notice, oh, we really like the beginning of this one, we're going to highlight it and hit the up arrow and send it up. Now it might be better to work in slip mode. So if we change to slip mode, we're going to toggle through. We're going to choose the best phrases and copy paste them into the new playlist titled Guitar Comp. So what we have to do is, in order to make that work, we need to go to the right next to the track, the playlist menu here, and hit New. And this is going to be titled Guitar Comp. And then we're going to audition. So let's audition just the first section here of this part. If we like that, we can highlight it. We're going to hit the up arrow. It's going to throw it up into this new guitar comp. Let's find the next phrase that we like. Looks like we liked that. We're going to highlight that section. It didn't make it all the way. I think it gets better towards this last one here. And once we find, a couple pieces that we like, we're going to throw them all together. And then what we'll do is we'll highlight the whole thing, hit Command F, and this is going to batch fade, and it crossfades across the whole thing. Hit OK. So we have to be on the selector tool in order to do that. Let's now audition that. All right, as long as that works, we will go to File, Bounce Mix, and then this particular file is going to be named based upon assignment name and your name. So this is assignment 4.2 dash your name. And then this will be an MP3. You're going to bounce it. Make sure to mute the click if it's not already muted. The click should be muted, but you'll bounce the mix. And once this bounce is done, you'll find it in the assignment folder, bounce folder. So under assignment 4.4 bounce files, you should have the final. Push play just to audition it, or push spacebar to audition. Once you are happy with that, you will load that MP3 back to the MLP. And that's it.